Okay guys, let's get into the unboxing itself. And here, okay guys, let's do the box overview first. So it's a milk stirrer, milk frother, as it mentions. So what it basically does is get some foam in your coffee or tea, and it also mixes a sugar in your coffee or tea. So you get the most creamy and milk foam out of it. So yeah, and it also sells on IKEA, but this one I got it on Walmart. This one I got it from Amazon. This one I got it from Amazon because it had a stand with it, and it also came with a trigger on-off button. So when you click it, it's going to be stay running. It's going to run on its own. We don't need to hold the button on, and there's no other description on the sides. As I mentioned, it's stainless steel, AA batteries, and it requires batteries, so it's not chargeable, and you cannot use it in the dishwasher since it's an electric device. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the box itself.